got this sound right. Most times people ask question of how can we get our arpeggios to sound like this, like follow your chord. Sorry. All right, let me quickly show you how I got that. So you go to your from performance, whatever. You go to search. You pick the sound. Maybe okay. Let's put it on this this empty space right here. So you go to hall. You come here. Just click on this search button. Then all right. So when you click on this search for sorry. This touch screen is amazing, right? Okay. So you search for simple app. You can just type simple. Just type simple. So it brings it so simple app. So you pick it. Once you pick it, press enter. It's already there. So what you do is turn off the app on all these arpeggio functions on all these other sounds. Turn it off except the one on the simple app. So in this case, I already have it here. So I'll just turn this off. So then part control. So to use your knob. To use your knob, you use part control here. So let me take this up. So now, so I have it here. Don't forget to put this on also. If it's off, you won't get it. So it has to be on. So once it's on, so you get that sound. So make sure you turn off the app on the other sounds. So